C. Olenquino of Grade 12 Tourism Management.
If you don't fight for what you want, then don't cry for what you lose. Good afternoon to our distinguished commencement speaker from the Department of Education, Dr. Elias A. Alicaya Jr., to the Chairman of the Board, Mrs. Marina M. Manasigan, to our School President, Mr. Matthew Oliver M. Manasigan, to the member of the Board of Trustees, to our Senior High School Principal, Ms. Ana Edita I. Hernandez, to our School Register and Guidance Associate, esteemed faculty and staff members, to our proud parents, and of course, my fellow graduates, warm greetings to all of you. July 12, 2023, our grade 10 moving up ceremony. I sat among my batchmates, clapping for the graduate who stood proudly on stage. I watched them speak about their hardships, their dreams, and how they reached that moment. That day, something changed in me. I told myself, someday, ako rin ang mag-squeeze sa harap. And that moment, I didn't know how, but I believed. And today, the belief has become reality. Since then, the journey has not been easy. I remember moments of struggles. I faced challenges I never expected. I led a research group for the first time, uncertain, nervous, and afraid to mess up. I spent countless hours preparing, trying to be a good leader, even when I doubted myself. But there are also meaningful struggles, like selling my handmade products during school events or normal days, and selling Graham balls during break time. And I know many of you have your own struggles, your quiet battles. I may not know your extra struggles, but I do know this: we made it. Each of us in this room carries a story worth telling. There were days we felt like giving up, days when we asked ourselves, kaya ko pa ba? But we showed up anyway. Sometimes we gave our best even when hearts were not in it. Sometimes our victories doesn't look like medals or certificates. They look like late night breakdowns, followed by early morning smiles. They look like teachers who believe in us, even when we didn't believe in ourselves. They look like friends who said, kaya mo yan, even when we couldn't say it to ourselves. Of course, not everyone believed in us. Along the way, we all encountered things we didn't want to hear. Whispers, side comments, and noise that could have easily distracted or discouraged us. But I learned something powerful. Sometimes, the best response is silence. I chose to turn down the volume and focus on a bigger picture. To those who once doubted, you were never obstacles in my path. You were having lessons. Your doubts only fueled me, made the victory taste sweeter. Like George R.R. Martin once wrote, a lion does not concern itself with the opinion of sheep. I carried that mindset with me, and it reminded me that confidence comes not from approval, but for the purpose. Still, I could have not done this alone. Every step forward was guided by those who believe in me, who offer their wisdom, love, and support. First and foremost, to God. Thank you for sustaining me, for giving me strength when I needed it most. To my parents, Mama Daisy and Papa Nick, thank you for being my foundation, my strength, and my greatest blessing. Sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pagod niyo sa aming magkakapatid. Your love, support, and faith in me gave me the courage to keep on going. This achievement is not just mine. It's yours too. I hope today I've made you proud, just as you have me proud to be your daughter. To our Grade 12 Tourism Management Advisor, Sir Arnel Bencolado, thank you for everything, sir. You listened, you guided, and you never gave up on us. Thank you for reminding us our worth and pushing us to believe that we are capable of more. To Ma'am Lea Andudillos, Thank you for being my second mother. Your words of encouragement came right when I needed them most. You saw potential in me, even when I couldn't see it in myself. You comfort me when I was overwhelmed and always reminded me that I was never alone in this journey. You treated me like your own, and that is something I will never forget. To Miss Juana Dodillo, who has been like an older sister to me, thank you for your warm support and for being steady presence in my life. To my best friend, at the same time, my boyfriend. Thank you for being more than just my partner, my biggest supporter, and my safe space. Thank you for the moments when I felt like overwhelmed. In moments of doubt, you reminded me of who I am. Thank you for standing by me through the highs and lows, for celebrating my wins and helping me through my worries. To my ever-reliable friends, Anais, Michelle, Nika, Rick, Aya, and Jesselie, thank you for being my solid support system and my second family. You were there during the stressful deadlines, the late night breakdowns, and the moments I felt like giving up. You were never failed to make me laugh, to listen without judgment, and to remind me that I didn't have to go through anything alone. You've been my shoulders to lean on, my cheerleaders. To Marasigan Institute of Science and Technology, thank you for being our second home, for equipping us not just with skills, but with the courage to dream bigger. And to my fellow Michigans, the milestone is ours. We've made it together. So today, I just want to say, I'm proud of us. As we close this chapter, let's not be afraid of what next. Because if we've made it in this part, what else can we do? We dream of this moment, and now it's real. Imagine what else we can dream. Imagine what else we can make happen. To batch 2024 to 2025, take this with you. You are more than your grades. You are more than the awards or medals. You are a whole story of growth, struggle, friendship, and dreams. You are enough. And guess what? You've come so far. And if no one has told you lately, you did it. Sumakses ka na. At Asma Palaspera, I am Danica Sioliquino, the class valedictorian of batch 2024 to 2025, wishing you all a future filled with purpose, joy, and everything you never stop dreaming of. Congratulations, everyone.
Congrats.
Thank you, Danica. May your story ignite hope and perseverance in each of us.